In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove or customize the footer in Mailchimp while ensuring your emails remain compliant and visually appealing. Let's explore this together so you can make sure your email campaigns are just as unique as your brand. To begin with, it's essential to understand that while you can't fully remove the footer in Mailchimp, it's for a good reason. Mailchimp requires certain elements in the footer by law. Here's what that means for you. No matter what, your emails must always include an unsubscribe link and your physical address. This is not just a legal requirement, but also a best practice for transparency and user control over their subscriptions. It's a small detail, but one that helps build trust with your audience. If you decide to omit these mandatory elements, Mailchimp will automatically insert a default footer to keep you compliant. So, always ensure these elements are present, even as you adjust your design. Now, let's get into the fun part. Customizing the footer to better match your brand's look and feel. If you're using the legacy builder in Mailchimp, you'll want to start by opening the footer block. Once you've got that open, you can really make it your own by tweaking several aspects. Under the Content, Style, or Settings, you have the flexibility to modify merge tags. If you're unfamiliar, merge tags in Mailchimp are placeholders that are replaced with actual data, like the recipient's first name. Customizing these can add a personal touch to your emails. You can also adjust the layout to suit your branding needs. This could mean opting for a two-column structure, if that aligns better with your content, or switching up your fonts to better reflect your brand's personality. Make up choices that enhance readability while staying true to your brand's voice. Speaking of customization, if available, don't forget to use the Edit Contact Info feature. This tool allows you to update your audience's contact details effortlessly. Keeping your contact information current is vital not only from a compliance standpoint, but also for maintaining a professional look. By thoughtfully customizing your footer, you can ensure it complements your email design without sacrificing essential information or legal compliance. It's about finding that perfect balance between style and functionality. To wrap up, while Mailchimp mandates certain elements, see it as an opportunity rather than a limitation. Tailoring the footer can reinforce your branding and help maintain a polished appearance in your email marketing efforts. And there you have it. You're now equipped to create footers that are not only legally compliant, but aesthetically pleasing and fully aligned with your brand's identity. Thank you for joining me today as we navigated the ins and outs of Mailchimp footers. Make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks to enhance your digital marketing strategy. Until next time, keep creating remarkable campaigns.